Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 10 latest best Hollywood action movies on Netflix and Amazon Prime. Number 10, Boss Level. A former Special Forces agent is trapped in a time loop and relieves his death over and over again. To escape the terrible situation, he must track down those responsible and stop them. Number 9, Memory. When Alex, an expert assassin, refuses to complete a job for a dangerous criminal organization, he becomes a target. FBI agents and Mexican intelligence are brought in to investigate the trail of bodies, leading them closer to Alex. With the crime syndicate and FBI in hot pursuit, Alex has the skills to stay ahead, except for one thing: he is struggling with severe memory loss affecting his every move. Alex must question his every action and whom he can ultimately trust. Number 8, The Burning Sea. 2021. An oil platform dramatically goes down on the Norwegian coast, and researchers try to find out what happened. When they realize this is just the start of something even more serious, in 1969, the Norwegian government announces their discovery of one of the world's largest oil fields in the neighboring North Sea, launching a prosperous period of offshore drilling. 50 years later, the environmental consequences begin to manifest. A crack has opened on the ocean floor, causing a rig to collapse. A team of researchers, including submarine operator Sofia, rushes in to search for the missing and assesses the cause of damage. But when they discover is that this is just the start of a possible apocalyptic catastrophe, as rigs are evacuated, Sofia's loving companion Stian becomes trapped in the depths of the sea, and Sofia must dive in to rescue him. The Burning Sea is the latest disaster epic from the team behind. Number 7, Avengement. While on prison furlough, a lowly criminal evades the guards and returns to his old stomping grounds to take revenge on the people who turned him into a cold-blooded killer. In the end of the movie, Ken agrees on the condition that he be allowed to visit his dying mother at a hospital. They are too late, and Ken misses his chance but escapes custody from violently beating the police officers who delayed his visit. Number 6, The Guest. A soldier introduces himself to the Peterson family, claiming to be a friend of their son who died in action. After the young man is welcomed into their home, a series of accidental deaths seem to be connected to his presence. Number 5, Riders of Justice. Marcus returns home to care for his daughter when his wife dies in a tragic train accident. However, when a survivor of a wreck surfaces and claims foul play, Marcus suspects his wife was murdered and embarks on a mission to find those responsible. Number 4, Spartan. When the president's daughter, Laura Newton Kristen Bell, is kidnapped by a human trafficking ring, high-ranking Secret Service agent Robert Scott Walkimber takes on the case. With the assistance of his protege, Curtis Derek Luke, Robert begins investigating, but the operation is called off when Laura is reported dead. However, Robert and Curtis, who have discovered evidence to the contrary, continue their search and soon find evidence of an elaborate government cover-up. Number 3, Elite Squad. During a brutal campaign to secure the Pope's 1997 visit to Rio de Janeiro, Captain Nascimento struggles to find a suitable replacement who will continue the Pope's merciless efforts to infiltrate the fabulous and wage war against their dominant drug underworld. Two childhood friends decide to enlist in Rio de Janeiro's military police department. After juggling their police jobs and college, both make up their minds to try out for a special operations squad whose mission is to take down the drug lords that plague the city. Both men struggle to survive, facing the daily challenges of dealing with pressure at home and fighting an unnamed war on the streets. Number 2, Rurouni Kenshin. The film's story focuses on Kenshin Himura's, played by Takeru Sato, past as the assassin Hitokiri Batusai, and his relationship with Tomoe Yukishiro, played by Kasumi Arimura. For the bigger fan base, it will tell the story of how he received his iconic cross-shaped scar. The film brings the tale of Kenshin and Tomoe's tragic romance into the live-action world. Both characters are broken people driven by their consuming goals versus Personally, I think this film is one of the best live action adaptations of a manga anime out there. Even though I have only watched a few, this film really stands out. If you are perhaps not a massive fan already, exploring different genres, or wanting something new to watch, this is a great film to get yourself stuck into. The film is a prequel, so you don't need to know anything about Rurouni Kenshin to understand what is going on. Full of lighting, romance, inner conflicts, tragedy, this film has it all. Number 1. Triple R. Triple R is director S.S. Rajamouli's much hyped film which took him 5 years to conceptualize, write and direct. Set in the Delhis of 1920s British Raj, the film revolves around two revolutionaries, Ramaraju Ramcharan, a police officer, and Bhim Jr. NTR, a gaunt tribal. How a friendship develops between these two angry young men and the rebellious journey they set on together is what the director brings to life in this larger than life magnum opus. Rajamouli intertwines two elements of matter, fire and water, in the form of Rama and Bhim. In this action-packed drama, the storyline is not new to Indian cinema, but the director's grandiose treatment of the incidents, big and small, show us how the ordinary can be transformed into the extraordinary. Rama and Bhim are on two different sides of the British Raj, but their stories are also similar in some ways. There is a need to protect their own from the forces that are out to destroy them.